record. Okay. Pause recording. Oh, so I started recording. Somebody started recording. Is it? Okay. So I given some privilege. So somebody's taken that privilege. Okay. So we are already recording the session. So it's fine. So it's fine. It's going on. Fine. So my dear friend, it is never too late to be what you might have been. Okay. Fine. It's okay. Now come back to the important point. I see the recording is started already. So I don't know who started. I only started, then I don't know. It's okay if I started, it's perfectly fine. Still, some people are struggling and joining, like this is the another part. Tomorrow I'll remove the waiting room, let them come inside. So, first thing is that when this is the flow. Actually, there is a one shloka in Gita, and actually, if you see how your destiny forms, that shloka is start with the thoughts. Somebody told about the thoughts, correct? Thought is a very premature thing. Your thoughts exactly reacted based on your sensation. That's why I told you the vipassana is a depth. Actually, it's a more deeper thing. Even how your thoughts change your destiny. So thoughts forms your attitude. Attitude forms your words. Words forms your actions. Actions from your habit. Habit is a very dangerous thing. Habit is what change your whole life. And habits form your character. And then your character determines your destiny. So these thoughts to the destiny, it is the story. So I want to share you the story. This is a beautiful, authentic story. See, I told you that when my life actually really transformed in last 1 year. If you ask me, this transformation, real transformation is happening in last 1 year. Yes, I was struggling from last 25 years. I was struggling for last 25 years. So just need to do one thing. Somebody is creating the background noise. So this is the last 1 year which completely transformed your life. I will tell you, it was exactly as I remember. It was 23rd or 27th of August 2019 when I met Mr. Opresh Acharya. And that time, like there was a one story, which story I know from last 20 years. It's a story, actually, it was given into the, like a Bhagavatam Katha also, means one way. So Narava, Kunjava and everything and all this part was there. So in that one, see the truth, the story about the truth. The story in a modern perspective goes like this way. And, like a lot of companies ask this story in the test your attitude and aptitude also. So story is simple. See, there is a curfew because of some riots, something is happening. And one person standing in front of his gate, because curfew there is not allowed to go outside, he's standing in front of the gate and just watching on the road, and his house is exactly into the center point of the four roads which meets. So now you can see the four roads goes and his house in that way. So four roads goes from there. Now this person is standing there, and then you see one person with lot of blood and everything running just for saving his life, and running like, like something very big is happening. And after a few minutes, he sees a big mob is coming with the, like a swords and the knife and everything. And actually they're just searching, and they see that four roads, they come to the center, and they see, they don't understand where this person is run away. Now they see you standing in the gate, they come and ask you where this person went. Now this is dharma sankat. Now they ask you where this person is went, what will answer? I just want to see some people's answer. What will answer? Please type what will answer. It's not for the people who listen the story from me, and like they like know about this whole exercise and everything. For not for them, this is mainly for the people who listening the story first time, and they really want to know about that one. So I just want some people to chat. What will be the options you'll give? If you tell the truth, they will kill that person. Yeah, you can tell very nicely, I have not seen anyone, but that is a lie, correct? Because you've seen that person. I have not seen anyone. No, this story I told every time, because this this story I told every time, because this is a story which changed my character life. It changed. Yes, you can be lie. That is your choice. So let me just see. Let me interact a little bit for 2-3 minutes. So who is this one? Shapullah Ahmud. I will send them to other direction to save the flight. Okay. Milik, don't tell them and lie. That's what. Okay. That's what 90% do. Sorry, sir. I don't understand why you are sorry. Not required. Okay, he told the answer because I think so something, but it's okay. Let's people have their own. But lying to save a life is good. Okay. That's what is my answer still the last year. I will show them the direction he went. Oh wow. So you are the dangerous person, Prapurna. So you want to kill that person? Awesome. Awesome, awesome, Prapurna. Awesome. They are the Dakuts. They are the danger person. They are killing a good person. Now see, here it's a choice. You have the 3 or 4 choices in this circumstances. So I give this particular answer because this answer was given with the cow and everything. I given the same answer into that particular part. So then initially they laugh. Actually, they didn't answer that one. But when I asked them the one question, what is the one quality if you want to become a best trainer in the world? Operesh Acharya was known as the one of the best trainer not only in the India but in the world. He was directly worked with the Dale Carnegie exactly. A big stories together, but exactly coming to the point, I also had the same answer. See, you can say the lie to save somebody's life. It is a white lie or the good lie. You see, if you tell truth, they will kill him. If you tell the lie, it is a lie. Maybe you save that person. Maybe you feel you've done the good work. But then Operesh Acharya told me only one thing. Okay, now let's come back to the important point. Then he told me that truth comes with the cost. Then I asked him, then I will suffer. Then he told that when truth come with the cost. He was just repeating the same thing to me. Truth come with the cost. Are you ready to pay the cost or not? He told there is only 3 choices in these circumstances. One, to misguide them, tell the truth, or third choice, which lot of people, 99% people even don't get, is the choice to tell them that one, I know the truth, but I don't want to tell you the truth. I want to save that person's life. Now there is a 2 consequences. Either these people will think you are mad and they will leave you because they feel if somebody after seeing this knife and then seeing everything and all this part, this person is telling that one, I will, not going to tell you because they will just cut you in 4 pieces, correct? And second, that one you can lose your life. Now, Operesh Acharya asked me, are you ready to lose your life for the truth? Then I told that one, it is not a good deal. It is not a good deal. Then he told that one, that's what truth comes with the cost. Are you ready to pay for the truth or not? And that day asked me select one. 99.99% people in this world live the life of the mediocre. They live the life with a different type of social norms. They live the life of this thing. See, but now it is your choice. And that day I was not able to sleep. I was not able to sleep at all. The whole yama niyama in yoga comes in front of me. Whole my life, duplicacy, inauthenticity came in my life. Every day I used to start late, and when I reach to the late to the office, I will be have the like a nice argument, traffic problem, this problem, cab problem, tiffin problem, wife problem, kids problem, this problem. You have the big list of the excuses, but you only started late. It is expected to reach to late. Now miracle will not happen. If the destination is required minimum 25 to 30 minutes, that much is required. What you do? Maybe you are bad luck, maybe another extra traffic jam, another 10 minutes late. But truth is truth. And he asked me that one, and that question was burning throughout the night and day. And that day I decided. And in my habit tracker, I can show you practically. In my habit tracker, I'll show you. I can show you even in my diary. When I just started my journal writing after that one, I put this particular part of integrity. See, this is written on the 20th of March when I started my first journal writing program. In that one, I written something that this about the daily habits. In that one, I put this particular integrity, authenticity, honesty, and truth as a column for my improvement. Now, if you ask me today, standing in August, it is not in my habit tracker. It's mood. It's become part of my life now. I mark, but still it is part of the journal writing. The day I tell the lie, I mark that day. I told lie. So this is what is exactly there. So today is a day where you can form your new. This is very different. Now I will go into the little bit speed. So see, this is comes to the another part. So what you believe in this particular segment. See, this is my character. This is my story, my transformation, my value, my life. And I don't expect it from everybody. See, when I started this coaching system in the April, I was expecting same thing from the my all the mentees and everybody. And then I find out it's not a simple part. And then a lot of people oppose and everything. See, because this is different life. See, the truth comes with the cost. Truth comes with the cost, my dear friend. Now, truth means what? It's your life on the stack, my dear friend. See, in this story, the story itself is easy to understand what is the character. Now here everybody's character is different. Somebody is lying, somebody is misguiding, somebody is telling the truth to just kill that person just because I want to tell the truth. That is also not correct way. Like you should not be that much inhuman. You should be a human being helping others, saving others' life, not killing other people or not helping others to kill them. Now this is a conflicting with your nature, but it's your choice. You are you, and I don't have right to change your life. Till you don't feel it is required, please take. If you don't feel, throw it out. So this is your basic system. So what I written in my basic system, see, that's what I told you that day. First time, like a 25 years back, I started yoga. It is Yama Nema. I know by hearted my Yama Nema. I was a topper in my all the yoga exams. Yama Nema. Yama is Satya Asteya Ahimsa Brahmacharya Parigraha. And Nema is Soch, Satyo, Swadhyaya, Ishwar Pranidhan Tapas. I know everything by hearted, theoretically master, PhD. Everything is knows, full of knowledge. But it's only the bookish knowledge. I know you have to tell always, like a truth in a yoga done in the 3 level. Only not telling the truth, but even thinking truth. Kaya, Vacha, Mansa. Kaya means physical level. Vacha means at the tongue level. And Mansa at the mind level. So as per yoga, you don't have even right to think wrong or think untruthful, unpious activity even in your mind. Forget about the speaking or hurting somebody. Ahimsa, non-violence. Non-violence is again come as the physical level, at the verbal level, mental level. Which is the most dangerous physical violence? It is not the that somebody hit you or slap you. It is actually that mental violence. A lot of people don't react you, but they are so negative about you. They are so jealous about you. They are so negative about you. That's why I was want to thank somebody shared that video. Remove the negative people, even they are your family member. Yes, lot of time your own people are not happy with your progress. Lot of your own people are not happy with your own mindset. See, when I started this journey, lot of people got very uncomfortable surrounding me when I started this journey of the truth. Even my people, my own people, exactly in my family and everybody in the office and everybody, people got little bit shaky. They was very uncomfortable with my new approach, but that was there. So select one statement. You have these choices. You can choose one, or you can just connect that one. I told you about Yoga Nema. I'm going to take some time again of that one. And what was my thinking process before? During action times, a real character reveals. See, you will be a very good friend to somebody, but your real characters will become when that person is in the problem and how you react. You help somebody for 10 times, but you ask one time help, and that person's real character will be revealed. And this is practically happened. See, this is I learned from my coaching system. See, I'll tell you, that's what I thanks my each and every person in my coaching system. Even the people who hurted me, left me, or jealous me, or whatever maybe is there, because they teach you the lesson. The real character of the each and every person reveals only when actions comes, not when it's all theoretically in a planning phase. That's why in meeting, everybody will tell, okay, fine, I will take this responsibility, I will take that responsibility. Okay, fine, everything. But again, next meeting come after 1 month. Oh, this work I supposed to do, but it's pending because I was busy in the another work. That is our inauthenticity. And this is what happens. So choose one. Choose one. So during action times, real character reveals. My character is based off my all areas of life. I'll tell you, if you are not made of your character, nothing else is done. You can live the duplicate life, my dear friends. That's what everybody do. They always do the only the life for the two things: looking good and not looking bad. Why somebody smoke and just immediately put inside? Because he don't want to show, you don't want others to know that one he's a smoker. We live a very inauthentic life, and I lived my inauthentic life till, I'll tell you, sometimes it's come still now, but till the last year. Very inauthentic life. I'll tell you, I not cheated anybody or not hurted anybody, but myself, I just want to pretend. I want to show something that I was not. And it took a lot of toll. It took a lot of health issues. It's create a lot of mental issues. It's create a lot of family issues. It create a lot of relationship issues. I really faced more issues exactly in some areas after become honesty and integrity, but it is fine because it is your personal journey and it's come with the cost. So please select. So my character is based off my all areas of life, and I am the master of my life. I am the only person who knows what is best for me, and I always trust in myself. That is my journey. So I'm not forcing you to select anything which is not resonating you. It is your life. You want to become a thief, you want to become a liar, you want to live that double standard life, that is your choice. I'm not a person to transform that one. I'm not telling that one, but take a cost. Pretending and cost. Every pretending things require some cost. So if you are ready to pay that cost, you are fine. You are fine. You are fine. See, dear friends, we are not ready to accept anything. Just want to share you some very important aspect of my life. See, when this problem was just started, and it was only in the right leg, I was able to drive the bike and everything. It was started with my toes actually. I understand this problem in my swimming, but my inauthenticity was that it started with the accident, and I was just trying to cope up. And I feel, oh, I am the big yoga person, I am the big, like a boxing person, I am a sport person, I am this one and everything. Nothing will happen to me. I will cure myself with yoga and everything. And I used to tell everybody lie. Oh, and I met that time 3 accidents also. So it was like I'm telling everybody it's an accident. Because of accident, I met series of accidents exactly. But actually, what I tell you, it was exactly, I think so. It's 2012 or 13. I went for this spiritual conference in Pyramid Valley. I'm telling you something very sensitive part. In that Pyramid Valley, I met with the one of the best uh, clairvoyant, means like the people who like see in your futures or the past, and they can understand. Even I was like doing that time my past life regression things and everything. But I also feel some types I got my own. But I asked her exactly. So she was very arrogant exactly, and she told that one, I cannot take your sessions. I don't have time and everything. But then at least tell me one thing. Then she told me, and she told me only one thing: you are not walking the life you made for. Just 1 or 2 years back, I joined Oracle actually. Just 2 years back that time, I went from the one IT job to another IT job. So I just jumped on the IT job, and she just told me one thing. And I tell you, I done the 6 to 7 time vipassana just to find out what is purpose of my life. I used to go 11 days, and 11 days I was just think why I born on this earth. I never got the answer, but she just make me one statement. You know that statement when come? I forgot that statement from long time. That statement come today when I done this exercise again once more. She told me that one, you are walking the life which you not made for. I never understand what she told me exactly or what is her purpose. And then I understand. And still after that also 10 years, 8 years, 9 years, the same life. Okay, yeah, it's fine. You are doing multiple area, but you walk that particular life. So please find out your basic system. And I find out my all these issues now, and my life took a 360-degree turn. 360-degree turn, my dear friend. So please clear your new characters. It's never be late. What will life be if you had no courage to attempt anything? It's fine. If somebody actually, like there is a Anguli Mahal story. How many of you know Anguli Mahal story? Let me just check the chat. I've not seen the chat for a long time. How many of you know the Anguli Mahal story? Please don't run your tape actually. Like please don't run your tape. See, these people are still joining after half an hour. The call is getting over now. Okay. So coming back to the important point. Okay. So, yeah, I'll just make it, like Angulimal. Now, Angulimal actually become a saint after coming into the Gautam Buddha's path. But, like a lot of people, like that village and surrounding village, he killed 999 people. And the Buddha was his thousandth of that particular part of the garland actually. And he used to cut the fingers to keep the count. Now, when this Angulimal come into the Gautam Buddha's contact, his life changed and everything changed, correct? Then when he's to go become a saint, people used to throw in the stone and he used to hit and everything. Now, that moment he has to just send them the blessings. They never, he never stopped for anything exactly. He's to just exactly, like ensure that one they will be have only compassion. But now because he become a truthful person, honest person, integrated person, realized person, now his path change. But he has to take that stone for the old path. You require a courage. You require a huge courage. It is not everybody's cup of tea. Please don't run your cassette now. At least connect, and you will get lot of questions. Yes, truth comes with the cost, and this world Kali Yuga, it is not made for the truth. But if you live the life of truth, you will be reached to the highest, and that's what is the spirituality. That's what the yoga started. If you do just physical asanas, yoga will not transform you internally. Maybe you'll get some physical benefit, some breathing benefit, but your life will not transform. So please remember on that particular part. Now, what you want, what do we want? So we'll go a little bit. So vision. Now, what is your vision for that area? See, like a last time what I written, little bit changes happened to that one, but it's there. Once I committed, then I don't listen to myself. That's dialogue I remember. So that is a vision. You have to be a person whose word, action, thoughts, everything should be aligned. That's what people should tell you. Like, like maybe you cannot become Raja Harishchandra, but you can become like a person who walk what you talk, and your thoughts walk and talk. Everything is aligned. So my word is my bond. That's what he's telling into the first segment. My word is my bond. Or else it's very good. Oh, I will do the homework, but nobody does the homework. Oh, I will do this one, but nobody do it. At least hardly 10 people update exactly. Anyway, that is there. Then my character is my investment, my for promotion, for my life, for my spirituality. So 100% honesty, 100% integrity, 100% truth, 100% authenticity is what I want to achieve. That is my goal into this area. It is very difficult goal, my dear friend. It is like living the life of Raja Harishchandra or the Gautam Buddha or the Rama, or like that type of life, or the Jesus, or that one. It's not easy one. But this is the life of freedom. Yes, maybe there will be a suffering. There will be the pain. More than suffering, there is a pain. Suffering is always optional. Pain is inevitable. You have to choose. So choose at least one thing. When I am 100% authentic, I'll live a fearful life, fearless life. And that is what is important. See, when you want something from you, see, I am fearless. I told that I will not even admit you. I don't want your feedback. I not even ask me to join my YouTube channel. I not ask me to give some people. I not ask anything from you. And I'm so lazy even to give me another next program. I don't want anything from you, my dear friend. That's why it's a fearlessness. So it is fine. If you don't action, take the action. I don't want this type of people. So please write at least one vision into this part. So many of them are given. You can write at least one vision in this area. Just simple. I'm not befriend worry. It is a time waster. See, that's it will be the vision for your character. Now your characters is like you become a person with always the frowns on the head or question mark on the head and not living your fulfilled life. From that one, just become persons with 100% that fearlessness. And that fearlessness comes only when you are living 100% authentic life. Nothing is matter. You can start from the zero. So this is beautiful things. So write something in the vision area. Then comes the big why. Now why? Now if somebody, like I have the questions, why should I have this particular thing? If you start truth, people will be take me granted. People will cheat me. Life will be very difficult. Why? But I'll tell you, I attended so many Vipassanas. In that Vipassana, there is a state actually that's called as the flow state exactly. When you actually forget your body awareness and each and every cells complete, like sensations, moods, very solid sensations completely converted to the very, like a subtle part and subtle energy moves and everything. And like I used to crave for that one into the Vipassana. They told don't crave for that one also. But that state has to come when when I reach to 8, 9 day. And that is also very temporary period of time. But now I get that state every day when I take the session or when I do something, my activity, or it has become a very natural state for me now. I don't want to promote something, or I'm not telling that when I'm become a great or something, but I'm really able to enjoy, joyful, peaceful, happy. I'm experiencing that when I was going 11 days, leaving the home, leaving the office, leaving everything, and I'm sitting 11 days to get that state. Now that state I'm coming to that one, and that is my why. That is my why. I'm getting that one because why? Because I'm nothing. I don't do anything. I want nothing. And that's the freedom, highest level of freedom. So it is a basis. It is an investment my for spiritual journey. Be and make project, my coaching system. Whatever life I look, this is my investment in the future. So this is vision. See, that's what I understand spirituality properly in this 1 year. I used to go to so many advanced courses and so much. I told you exactly correct. And just I want this, I want this one, I want that experience. I want to get samadhi. I want to get that one. But like a yoga started with yama. Everybody forget about yama, niyama, and they goes to the directly, like asana. It's yam, niyam, asan, then pranayam, then pratyahar, then dharana, then dhyana, then samadhi. But we are clinging for the samadhi without even thinking what is the yama. And then I was blaming to the system. I'm blaming to the people. Oh, why I'm not getting the expression? Why I'm not getting the benefit? Yeah, theoretically I'm understanding everything. See, theoretically I am the best person to understand everything. Whole cassette, like a what Goenka is to tell next statement, I can able to tell the next time exactly. But what is the use of the theoretical knowledge? So this is not big why. So this changed my life. So this is what is my exactly changed my life. So no integrity, no life. Without integrity, it is a bogus life. I just given to world it as a bogus life. Now it is your choice. I'm not telling that when you get all these things and start, it is not difficult. And I don't recommend everybody. I tried in my coaching system and it was absolutely failure. It was absolutely failure. Absolutely failure, failure, failure. I'll tell you. Because this is not made for everybody. It is your choice. It is not made for everybody. That's why in Gautam Buddha's part, when thousands of people has to come, some 10 people has to reach to that Aryanta or Nirvana state. So it is not for everybody, but at least can you do the best into that area. When you tell the lie, you have to remember the lie. But when you tell the truth, you don't have to remember what you say last time. It is your choice. Happy morning, peaceful night. I'll tell you that was life is 360-degree really change and life transformation. That's why I told you it's a life transformation journey. Now, every morning is the morning of the energy and creating some transformation, self transformation, and helping others, serving others to do their transformation. Night, so much of peaceful night. Everything is okay, good. Not affecting. You join my next program or not, you tell me something good or not, you tell me bad. It's not matter. I'm trying my best. I give my best. Then everything rest is the God wish. So that is the purpose. Okay, I think I exceeded all the time today. Oh, so let me just complete it now. So this was the purpose. And then come the last strategy. Now this is what something very important. But if you ask me, motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keep you going, my dear friend. See, that's what that characters form because of the habit, and habit forms your character. That's why I written for 4 months, day and night in the 5 diaries, what I want to achieve: 100% authenticity, 100% integrity, 100% this one. This is my current journal format. Ninth versions of the journal. I'll show you. Sorry, I just don't want to use this one. Somebody told me. See, this is my new journal format. In this journal format, if you see, this is the marking system. In this marking, if you see the fourth question, sorry, not fourth question, fifth question, 24 by 7, 365 days, I written one thing. I promise myself, I am and I will 100% authentic, honest, truthful, self-expressive, what may come. You can see it is everyday's marking. And it is a part of the life now. I don't really want to remember everything, but still it is a commitment. So you can see that one. And if I tell one lie also, I mark cross in my diary. So this is our own journey, but it's not a motivational speech. It is very uncomfortable. This class is very uncomfortable. It is not a motivational thing. So you have to work on that one. So create a strategy. If you ask me, I created the strategy. First part is key process for everybody. Decide what virtues you want to have in your life. Define what those virtues mean for you, and then create a strategy for that one. When I started, I don't have to think more. For me, Yama Nema came as a head. So Yama talks about these 5 virtues: Satya, Asteya, Ahimsa, Brahmacharya, Aparigraha. Done. And that gives you the highest level of freedom. In Niyama comes Soch, Satyos, Swadhyay, Ishwar, Pranidhan, Tapas. Then my virtues are created, Yama and Nema. But you have to create a strategy to start living with them. And that's what I started with the journal writing. That's what I always tell, that one journal writing is the one thing which transform your life. Knowing is no use, Shraddha. It is fine. Knowing, a lot of people knows every yoga course start with Yama Nema. But even the persons who teach the Yama Nema don't know what is Yama Nema. I'm really sorry. I seen at least thousands and thousands of yoga teachers. Even a lot of people come to me. I took the interview of thousands of people in the yoga, these professions, and I signed that one. A lot of 90% yoga people who come to this field just come for the money. They don't have the value system themselves. Forget about them. A lot of people don't know even what is Yama Nema, and whoever knows, they don't follow. So knowing is of no use. Absolutely no use. So remember, then I created strategy like Vipassana 24 by 7, yoga inside and outside. I will true to myself. That is the absolute freedom which will give it to me. So this is the process I started for myself exactly. So this is the strategy. So how many times to attain? I decided to go for the Vipassana 2 times. I decided to go, for the advanced course for some time, and I just written this all the strategies part into the book. So this is what I want to share. So thanks to everyone. These are the Yama Nema, what I was talking about. Please reflect on them. And that is the basis of yoga. If somebody want to really progress something in Yama Nema, this is the part. So this is there. Watch your thoughts for they become words. Watch your words for they become actions. Watch your actions for they become habits. Watch your habits for they become character. And watch your character for it's become your destiny. So this is what is there. I am telling you again and again, please do the homework, or else there is no authenticity from your side. And this will be just like another enlightenment type of teaching, which don't get the enlightenment. It is like I'm talking you about the Disneyland. I'm describing everything, but you are just dreaming to go to the Disneyland. You cannot get the same experience without going there. So please write at least one into the all 4 categories. and then one final goal and 3 action points. That's what I told you. One final goal and 3 action points. This is what. So thank you, multiplied by all. Thank you. We done the whole this part. I think so. I exceeded the whole time, but again, this is takes to me my flow, and I'm really sorry for that one taking your time. But I can see everybody. So let me take a today print screen. So have everyone. Let me just copy here. Okay, so we're done with the session. We're done with the session, but for just sake of you people giving more, if anybody has any question or any doubt, I can take another 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that one. So let me get your print screen, because let's have memory. I don't believe on them exactly before, but my coaches told me that one, let's have some proof. You've done a good work to yourself sometime. Okay, so personally, thank you everybody. And maybe you have a lot of questions and doubts, and that will be the part of life. In this small program, we cannot transform your life 360-degree. It's not easy job, but if you take a step and at least return something, that will change your life. See, this is a starting point. Don't expect something miracle. You want to see this Yama Nema slides? Just search on the Google Yama and Nema. There will be 10 lakh slides available on the Yama Nema, because this is what yoga started. Every yoga car start with the Yama Nema actually. Yoga start with the Yama Nema only. Such, do your work also. So thanks to everybody. If there is no questions or there is no doubt, let's move to, like beautiful things. Create a good karma. See, the karma, law of karma works. What you saw, that will be reaped. If you saw the seed of the mango tree will come up. If you saw the seed of the neem tree will come up, and nobody can change that law. Whatever you are there, the law of nature is there. So if you don't believe on the God also, but believe on the law of nature. And if you believe on the law of nature, that is more than enough to being a good person. If you give the pain to somebody, you will get a pain. If I help you to do something good, universal consciousness will help me to do something good. Doors opens up when you do good for somebody. So thank you. So we done all the times, we exceeded everything. So God bless you all. But I have one strong point and strong request to all of you. Please don't show me your face if you don't do the homework. And this is not a PhD thing. I am not a satsang teacher. I don't want, a lot of people told you want to become a big Baba or something. I told, I never want to become a Baba. Because satsang is just last till you go outside and wear your shoes. I seen the people who go for satsang for 30 years, regular every day, and when their chappal or shoes is missed, they started shouting on and like cursing the people, and they even ready to steal somebody else's shoes or chappal. Then what they learn in satsang, I don't know. And the satsang topic was the detachment. Now they attach to their chappal and shoes so much they not able to get rid of that one. And that type of teaching I don't want to give to anybody, because I went through that for 25 years. It's so easy, correct, to talk about brahmacharya and aparigara and everything. That's not makes sense. I'll tell you, if I have the 2 pairs of shoes, the 3rd pair of shoes comes to the home, it makes me uncomfortable. I feel when I will donate my first shoes of pair, that is called aparigara. Anyway, so thank you guys. Have a nice time. This Vivo 1901 and everything, please remember one thing. This is a law of karma. See, maybe you can share the link. Maybe some people can do everything and whatever that part. But I'll tell you, it's okay, fine. But that don't give the result. What you feel, Chandrika, that you feel, I'm fine with everything. I don't have any type of mindset, fixed mindset. I came out of that one. I'm fine in every moment, whatever is there happening now. If you tell me good, I don't feel anything. If you tell me bad, I don't feel that much of this one. Yes, only is a motivations to do something more. Or it is something you can take it down this one. So anyway, we'll continue with this link. I already created the same link. This same link will work for the next all coming 7 days. So please work on that one. And please connect with the persons who recommended you if you have any questions or doubts, because they have got some highest level of training. They can help you. So thank you very much. So thank you. God bless you all. Have a nice night. So